Let us take some more examples how to convert a roster form in set builder form. Suppose we have a set in roster form like this. A is a set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is in roster form. In the roster form, we list all the elements of a set, separate them by commas, and enclose them with curly braces. This is roster form. Now we need to convert this into set builder form. So what is a set builder form? So in set builder form, what we do, we describe a set by specifying the properties that its members must satisfy. Let us suppose we have a set A, and I will explain all the things here. Now what I have written here, so let me write it like this. So this says us, this shows us the name of the set. Name of the set is A. So X, these are the elements in A, elements in set A. Then we have the condition for X to be in this set A. So this is the condition for members X to be in set A. Okay, so how do we pronounce it? So we can say that A is a set of all elements X. We call this such that, this vertical line, such that X satisfies the conditions. Okay, so we have the different kinds of conditions on X. So how do I write this in the set builder form? So we can write A is equal to, if we see these are all natural numbers and they are less or equal to 4. So can I write, this is a set X, the set of all X's such that, the set of all X's such that X is less or equal to 4. Okay, we have, but we have to specify and another condition, that is, and X belongs to natural numbers. Okay, so this is how do we write this roster form in set builder form. We can write it in another way also. So there are 2-3 methods. So we can write it like this also. A, the set of all X's such that, if we show this vertical line by this colon symbol, so we can write it in this fashion also, and X belongs to natural numbers and X lies between, so X lies between 1 and 4. So we can write it in this form also. Okay, so let's take another what we call a set. Let us suppose we have a set B in the roster form. Let us take numbers. Let us say we have 1. So let me take numbers. Okay, so let us take a simple example. Let us say we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, this is in roster form. How do we write it in set builder form? So here we can see these are all multiples of 3 here. Okay, so can I write it like this? B is a set or the set of all X's such that X is equal to 3n. Here you can see if we put 3, n is equal to 1, so we got 3 1s are 3. Then if n is 2, we get 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. Okay, then we have to specify another condition, that is n is less or equal to 1, sorry, n is greater or equal to 1 but less or equal to 4. Okay, so what does this mean? So when we plug n is equal to 1, we will get, so let us see here, when n is equal to 1, we will get the first element is 3 into 1 is 3. When n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, we will get 6. Likewise, when n is equal to 3, we will get 9. N is equal to 4, we will get 12. Okay, in rooster form if we write it here. So the set of all x such that x is equal to 3n, because these are the multiples of n, and n lies between 1 and 4 inclusively. That is, we include 1 and 4 here. Okay, now let's take another let us say we have set D in rooster form like this. We have let us take the squares this time. Let us suppose we have 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Okay, this is in rooster form. So how do I write it in set builder form? Here you can see these are, and this is actually 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised power, sorry, we have 2 raised power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 raised power 4 is 16, 2 raised power 5 is 32. Okay, so can we write it like this? D is a set, or we can say the set of all x's such that x is equal to 2 raised power n. Okay, so when n is equal to 1, we will get 2. When n is equal to 2, we will get 2 square, which is 4. Okay, then we have to satisfy also specify another condition, that is n lies between, and let me write it here, where n lies between 1 and 5 and n belongs to natural numbers here. Okay, now let's take another example. Let us suppose we take the numbers. Let us suppose we have a set S which is equal to -6, let us say -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, let us see what is happening here. So these are all multiples of 2 here. Okay, but we have negative numbers also here. So can we write it in the set builder form like this? So we can write the set of all x's such that x is equal to 2 times n, 2 times n here. Okay, now what is n here? So we have here, if we can see, 2 into -3 is 6, 2 into -2 is 4, 2 into -1 is -2, then we have 2 into 0 is 0, then we have 2 into 1 which is 2, likewise we have 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now here obviously we have, for n we have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That means we can write it like this, where n belongs to the integers, because in integer we take positive numbers and negative numbers also. So here n belongs to z, not n. Then we would have only the positive numbers, because we have negative numbers here and we have sets. We saw here that we have negative numbers and positive numbers obviously here. And what is another condition? That is, this n lies between -3 and +3. Okay, so these were the examples how do we convert rooster form in set builder form.